All right, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? My name is Philip England. Welcome to fxpronow.com. What we see here right now is AUDUSD, and as I was um, looking at the charts earlier today, um, I saw the fact that price had a nice retrace to the downside. For this specific move right here, it looked like it it broke its it broke its structure right here. And this, let me show you what I'm talking about. So we have a level of support that was definitely broken. And what I like about this as well, and this is what I teach in the actual course itself, which is perfect that it's actually showing this. So it broke it, yes, but it tested the level of resistance first and then pushed down and then broke. That's what we like to see. That's what I call a real break, as opposed to just pushing through the way that this did, where it broke through a level of support, which is cool, but right here it broke through a level of support right here, which is cool. But what I like here is the fact that it tested this area first, pushed down, and then continued and actually broke this level of resistance. What this tells me is that there's a lot of buyers, and they're sure, because the fact that they got to this level of resistance, a lot of the buyers that were only thinking that this level of resistance was all that price could get to, price pushed down, and then from there more buyers came in, which tells me that this is a legitimate push to the upside for the continuation of the upside move, if that makes sense. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to pull out my fibs just to see where price is currently. And what I see is the fact that price has got into this 50% area. Cool, right? If anything, I'll go ahead and just keep that on there. Visibility, let's make this less than 4 hours. No, we'll keep this on the 4-hour chart. All right. So what I want to do is I want to show you where we are when it comes to the higher time frame. This may or may not work, matter. At any point in time, you can be able to ask me a question. Just want to let you guys know that. So this may be significant, maybe not. We have to see. We obviously have a level of support right here. We have a level of support right here that was formed, but this made it an actual level of support. We have this crazy wick. I have no idea what that is. But we're at that level of support again, and it seems as though this area is pretty difficult to break through, the same way that it was back here. Okay. Now, what I'm looking for is for price to continue to the upside. What will, for the long term at least, what will tell me that this is like, what will switch my analysis is if at any point in time we have price close under this purple line, which is a level of support. At any point in time we have this level of support get broken, that's when I'll be looking for to switch my analysis for the continuation of this downwards push. Okay. Now let's go to the daily and see how it's looking. Right? See how the candles are closing. So as we can see here, yes, these closed under here on the daily chart, but I was talking mostly about the weekly. Okay. So I would need so essentially, yes, this did close under here, which is cool. But based upon the weekly, it didn't, right? I want to see what these are looking like, and if this is ever going to close under here. If it does, cool. If not, then I'll be looking for the continuation of the upside move. Now understand, there's a weekly mindset, right? There's a daily mindset. There's an H4. There's an H1. So each time frame is a different analysis. And if you're going towards swing trading, that's one. That's one move. Because for the swing, you could be going for a buy, let's just say. For the daily, you could be looking for the sell, and for the H4, you could be looking for a buy. They can all be correct. So it always matters on what type of trader you want to be, what your emotions are like, and how long you would like to actually stay into a trade or not. Okay. So what I want to show you here, based upon the daily chart, from point A to point B, point C, we see that price has gotten to this daily key level right here, which is not really in confluence with anything. And what I mean by confluence is it's two things lining up at the same point. Okay. And what we see here is it tested this 50% area, hasn't really got to the 61.8 area. Okay. But I wouldn't be surprised on the H4 price. So we could be looking for this to continue to this negative 27%, which is what I have here. Okay. We do have that this candle right here closes beyond this bullish candle right here for the continuation of this downwards push. Okay. And let's look at the H time frame. This candle right here has shown buyer's exhaustion. We have buyer's exhaustion here, buyers. So you have a continuation of the downward push. This is why it's so important not to be looking at the charts on your phone. Yeah, no, this is beautiful for the push downward. Let's see here. This is what I want. I'll have a line here saying if price breaks through, and oh, this is beautiful right here actually. If price goes ahead and breaks through this level of resistance, I'll close out my sell. So I need to make sure price does not close over this level of resistance based upon this M30 time frame. Beautiful, man. Good. As you can see, we have boom, boom, test, test. The same exact area, okay? So what I'll be looking for is my stop loss. And my stop loss, probably the way that you use stop loss. The way I use stop loss is where I'm looking for candles to close. It'd be amazing if I could be able to put in my MetaTrader, if a candle closes above, a full candle closes above some area, close out my trade. That's how I would like MetaTrader to do. Everything will make that as well. So I need to make sure price does not pass, let's just say 7.2. I mean 0.72. Price, we'll call it stop loss, I guess. Price must not close above 0.72. Okay. I'm looking for this to continue to the downside. We already have our bearish engulfings that have formed here. This is the actual bearish engulfing that we're looking for, right? So just so you know, that's exactly what I look for. That's a huge nugget, I'll put it like that. So we see the bearish engulfing pattern right here in confluence with the daily key level. I'm looking for the continuation of the downwards push. This may retrace a bit, being the fact that this is broken under this area over here. So we have the fact that price is closed under this last level of support over here, which is perfect. Again, what I'm saying is we may have a retrace, right? And then we're looking for the continuation of the downwards push to 0.70. All right, guys? So check out fxpronow.com for our 5 steps to our to becoming an FX Pro now. Let's get it.